Samsung is finally doing something Galaxy fans have been waiting for, and this time the surprise is actually good. One UI 8.5 is now rolling out globally, and it's not just bringing bug fixes or tiny visual changes. Samsung is pushing some of the best Galaxy S26 software features to older flagship phones much earlier than expected. That means users with devices like the Galaxy S25, Z Fold 7, Z Flip 7, and even parts of the Galaxy S24 lineup are starting to get a taste of Samsung's next-generation experience right now. The stable rollout officially started for the Galaxy S25 series earlier this month, but on May 11th, Samsung expanded the update globally. That's where things became really interesting. Reports started appearing that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 were also receiving the stable One UI 8.5 firmware. Beta users are getting it first, which is pretty normal for Samsung rollouts, but the wider public release is already beginning in different regions. And honestly, this update feels much bigger than a normal mid-cycle software release. Samsung is adding features that were originally expected to stay exclusive to the Galaxy S26 lineup for at least a few more months. Instead, older flagship phones are suddenly getting access to some of the smartest and most useful upgrades early. One of the biggest additions is Samsung's new AirDrop-style file sharing system. This feature makes transferring files between Galaxy devices much faster and smoother. Large videos, photos, and documents can now move almost instantly without complicated setup. Samsung clearly wants its ecosystem to feel more connected and seamless, similar to what Apple users have enjoyed for years. Another major feature arriving with One UI 8.5 is improved call screening. Spam calls and unknown numbers have become a huge problem everywhere, and Samsung is now using smarter AI tools to help users manage those calls automatically. The software can identify suspicious callers more accurately and give users better control before answering. But the real reason people are excited is because One UI 8.5 doesn't just add features. It also changes the overall feel of Galaxy phones. Animations are smoother, transitions feel faster, multitasking is more fluid, and the interface looks cleaner in many areas. Samsung has been slowly refining One UI over the years, and this update continues that trend. The company seems heavily focused on making older devices feel newer instead of forcing users to upgrade immediately. And that's exactly why this rollout is getting so much attention online. The biggest surprise is probably the Galaxy S24 lineup. Initially, many people expected Samsung to delay the stable update for those devices. But according to multiple leaks, the stable One UI 8.5 firmware is already downloadable in Korea for Galaxy S24 users. Even the Galaxy S24 FE appears to be included. That's a very important sign because Samsung usually starts software rollouts in Korea before expanding globally. So if these reports are accurate, international Galaxy S24 users may only need to wait a few more days before receiving the update themselves. For Galaxy S23 users, though, the situation is a little different. At the moment, Samsung hasn't officially included the S23 lineup in its stable rollout announcement. That probably means those devices will receive the update later, after Samsung finishes pushing the firmware to newer models first. It's disappointing for S23 owners, but at least there's still a strong chance the update eventually arrives. And while One UI 8.5 is expanding across older devices, Samsung is already preparing the next big thing in the background. Leaks recently revealed internal testing builds for One UI 9, and as expected, the Galaxy S26 series will likely become the first lineup to test Samsung's next-generation software. Right now, only a few details are known about One UI 9, but one leaked feature is already creating major hype. Samsung may add a new Ask AI button directly into its browser. Instead of simply opening websites, the browser could turn into a proactive assistant that understands what users are reading and helps summarize, explain, or interact with content in real time. That could completely change how people browse the internet on Galaxy devices. Rather than searching manually for everything, users might simply ask questions about the page they're viewing and instantly get answers powered by AI. Samsung clearly wants AI to become a central part of the Galaxy experience moving forward. And based on Samsung's usual schedule, One UI 9 will probably be officially introduced alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Galaxy Z Flip 8 later this summer. But beta testing for the Galaxy S26 series could begin even sooner. So while older Galaxy phones are getting S26-style features through One UI 8.5, Samsung is already building the next generation behind the scenes. Of course, no software rollout is perfect. Even though early reactions to One UI 8.5 are mostly positive, some users have reported small issues after updating. A few people noticed occasional animation lag on the Galaxy S25 series. Others said the new file sharing feature didn't work correctly until the phone was restarted. Thankfully, these problems don't seem widespread right now. Most reports suggest the update is still running smoothly overall, and since this is still the early phase of the rollout, Samsung will likely fix smaller bugs quickly through follow-up patches. That's one advantage Samsung has improved massively over the past few years. Software support is now much faster and more reliable compared to older Galaxy generations. Updates arrive sooner, security patches are more consistent, and flagship devices continue receiving major features for longer periods of time. And honestly, that's becoming one of Samsung's biggest strengths in the smartphone market. Instead of leaving older devices behind, Samsung is trying to make people feel like their phones still matter even after newer models launch. One UI 8.5 is proving exactly that. Galaxy users are getting better AI features, smarter tools, cleaner animations, and a more connected ecosystem without buying a brand new phone. And if Samsung continues this strategy with future updates, Galaxy owners could end up keeping their devices longer while still enjoying modern features. That's a huge win for consumers. Now the big question is how stable One UI 8.5 will remain once millions more users install it globally. Early impressions look promising, but the real test begins when the wider rollout fully expands over the next few weeks. So far though, this looks like one of Samsung's most exciting software updates in a long time. If more One UI 9 leaks appear soon, things could get even more interesting. Discover for more Galaxy updates, One UI leaks, and the latest Samsung news. And don't forget to like the video and turn on notifications so nothing gets missed.